Fishing excursion. Nope, redo. Our first fish of the day on our fishing excursion. JJ caught a little brim, a little bluegill. All right, we got Lula and Suzanne. What's that?
Catfish bait.
No, we'll throw him back. And Ron, what's your name?
Roy.
Maria and Roy. And Tori's helping me out today, and we're out here at Fort Yargo, see if we can't catch a couple of fish.
Hold on, let me get the picture. Right.
Swing it over there to JJ.
Hey, that was close to me. Wait, I gotta take the picture. Oh, wait, whatever you're doing. Yay! Perfect. I love it.
That one wanted it too. He didn't let go at all.
Thank you. You're welcome. Good job, Lula.
You wanna hold it?
Oh, Lord.
That's good right there, Suzanne.
That little jig head I had on this one was working perfect.
Yeah. Oh, is that what you caught in the dock? Yeah, that little crappy jig head. Yeah, because it made the bait go down.
Come on,
Reel on him.
Lula.
Reel. Oh, he let go. What you got there, Tori?
Got a
A
fish.
little bluegill. Yep. All right.
That's appreciated.
No. Just trying to find a spot I can get it to mount where it's going to see something. If you love fishing, please subscribe. There's Roy's first fish of the morning.
Yes, sir.
We're having a good time out here just catching a few little brim. Go.
Get him, Roy.
Whoa.
There you go.
Oh man, that might be the biggest one yet.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Oh, for sure.
Oh.
Oh!
All right, swing him in.
Yeah.
There you go. If you love fishing, please subscribe.